Namaste. This is Nakya Jarwala signing off, aura reader and crystal therapist. Abhi we'll talk about the sixth layer, that is the casual layer. अभी हमने एक्चुअली अभी जो भी था ना हमारा till 5 layers we were discussing about the mental, emotional and body state. हम उसके बारे में बात कर रहे थे. अभी हम एक्चुअली जाएंगे towards the spiritual side. Now we've already understood कि हमारा mental क्या होता है, हमारा emotional, physical appearance, how you think, how you eat, आप कैसे लोगों के बारे में सोचते हो. So that is the first 5 layers. Now we'll drift, हमारा journey हो गया towards the casual layer. Casual layer is actually a layer जो after आपने ये body को छोड़ा, after you pass away, it still is very dominant. ये layer आपके साथ और this layer when you leave your body, this layer आपके जो भी first 5 layer है उसका place ले लेता है. It gets bigger into the first 5 layers. These 2 layers are more important because they connect to the soul. तो ये actually it will remain for you forever till eternity. Now what is this casual layer? Casual layer is basically your spirituality. How much energy you have in your body. You're just too much involved in being materialistic. आपका daily काम, everything. You're not really giving time to your actual soul, which is the main thing. हमारा body, the main energy power of our body and our soul is our soul. If your soul is stressed, soul में energy नहीं है, you can be in coma and live for 30 years. But you're not living is because there is no energy in the soul. So now once आपने ये first 5 layers के ऊपर काम किया, then slowly you start working on this layer. मैं इसके बाद once I finish the introduction of the layers, मैं इसके बाद आपको actually बताऊंगी how to work on these layers. Now the spiritual layer, which is very very common, आपने बहुत जगह ये सुना होगा spiritual layer में क्या करते हैं, what you should do in a spiritual layer, कैसे हम spiritual प्राप्ति कर सकते हैं, meditation, everything. So spiritual layers is basically a layer. अगर आपने ये 6 layer पे काम किया, ये automatically बन जाएगा. This is the layer that you should ideally not work. It's just a layer, is the last layer which shields you. ये basically क्या होता है, एक protection shield होता है अपने body का, जो actually बनता है ये 6 layers से. Once your 6 layers are completed, then you can make a protection shield. It's like मैं अगर मेरे पास घर नहीं है तो मैं उसको lock नहीं कर पाऊंगी. You need something substantial to lock something, to seal something. अगर आपकी तिजोरी में कोई गोल्ड ही नहीं है, सोना ही नहीं है या कोई मनी नहीं है तो आप क्यों लॉक करोगे? Why? What will you do to protect? So basically this layer is only possible to achieve only when you achieve a good 6 layers. Abhi, I'm going to tell you something very very important. So please get your pen and paper ready because मैं आपको बोलूँगी these 6 exercise pertaining to each layer आपको क्या करना चाहिए every day in order to keep these layers very active. Spiritual layer. So जैसे मैंने बताया, अगर आप ये 5 चीज करेंगे, your spiritual layer is there. Now all you need to do is lock. Lock मतलब क्या कि मैं ये चीज हर रोज करूंगा और मैं अपने आप को ये चीज करके प्रोटेक्ट करूंगा. Spiritual layer is your shield. अगर आपको ये शील्ड बनाना है तो आपको ये 6 चीज करना बहुत जरूरी है. Again I'm repeating. Have bath. Tell yourself कि मुझे I want to purify. Second thing that you need to do is basically act of kindness. Third thing जो है आपका to do list, आपका agenda क्या है वो जरूरी है. Fourth thing, one motivational quote or one motivational thing that you need to hear. And sixth thing जो मैंने बोला, meditation. अगर आप ये 5 चीज करेंगे, it will be very very important.
अब वेब, मोबाइल और टीवी पर उपलब्ध